Hello friends, I'm your guide and you are watching Astro Planning Forecast, the special place where the silent language of the stars reveals the hidden secret of your life, where the signals of the universe uncover surprising truth about the future, and where every prediction is not just a word but a powerful message knocking on the door of your destiny. In today's video, we were going to talk about Cancer and the important days between April 1st and April 5th, 2026. This Tuesday may seem small at first, but the movement of the stars suggests they could bring unexpected change, important decision, and emotionally powerful movement in your life. Even the smallest event during this period may create a ripple effect that influences the coming weeks and months. If you keep your heart calm and mind balanced, this day could become the beginning of new achievement, new happiness, and powerful personal growth. Friends, let's first talk about career and professional matters. Between April 1st and April 5th, a phase may be where your patient and hard work finally start to show results. You may come across an opportunity that once feels like distant possibility, but now it may begin to feel real and within reach. If you are working a job, there is a strong chance that your seniors and supervisor will start noticing your abilities more closely. The efforts you quietly put into your work may now receive the recognition they deserve. The universe is encouraging you to stay confident and not hesitate when a new opportunity appears. For some Cancer individuals, this day may bring new project, variable connections, or even a meeting with someone who could open the door to future success. If you are run a business, small yet strategic decisions could shift the direction of your business in a positive way. The key message from the start is to avoid rushing and instead moving forward with wisdom and careful planning. Now let's talk about money and financial stability during these days. The universe is sending a message that balance and smart planning will be very important in financial matter. You might face some unexpected expense or situations where quick financial decisions are required. However, there is no need to worry. The star also suggests that if you manage your resources wisely, your financial situation may gradually improve in the coming days. Some Cancer individuals might even find a solution to an old financial issue or debit. If you are thinking about making a new investment, these days are good for research, gathering information, and understanding the risk. But remember, avoid making big financial moves in a hurry right now. Small and intelligent decision can lead to strong financial stability in the future. If we talk about love and relationship, because Cancer individuals are known for their deep emotion and sensitive hearts. Between April 1st and April 5th, some special emotional moments may enter your life. If you are already in a relationship, you and your partner may experience deeper communication and emotional understanding. Things that once remained unspoken may now come into the open. Interestingly, this honesty and strengthen your relationship even more. If a misunderstanding created distance recently, these days could bring a chance to heal this emotional gap and rebuild trust. For single Cancer individual, this period may also feel exciting. The star suggests that an unexpected conversation or a new meeting could spark hope in your heart. But always remember, while emotions are important, balance them with wisdom and patience so you avoid rushing into something too quickly. Now let's talk about family and social connections. Spending time with family during these days could bring peace and emotional comfort to your heart. Someone in your family might need your support or guidance if you help them sincerely. Your relationship with them could become even stronger. Even some Cancer individuals may also face an important family discussion or decision. If you approach the situation with patience, calmness, and understanding, the issue can be resolved smoothly. Your social circle may also become more active. A long lost friend might reconnect with you, or you might come across opportunity to meet new people and build meaningful connection. Your presence and personality could leave a strong and positive impression on others. Finally, friends, let's talk about your inner power and spiritual energy. The day between April 1st and April 5th will not only influence event around you, they may also shift something deep inside your thoughts and emotions. You might suddenly realize something important about your life, and or a new idea may appear that gives you a clearer vision for your future path. This is the time to listen carefully to your inner voice. Sometimes the universe reveals the greatest truth in quiet moments, not in loud distraction. If you maintain positive thinking and stay focused on your goal, these few days could become the foundation of the next chapter of your life. Friends, always remember this. The star can show the path, but the journey toward the destination is taken by your own steps. If you move forward with confidence, patience, and a positive mindset, the energy of the universe will bring to work in your favor. Friends, if today prediction truly touched your heart and you feel that these signs from the star show how connected to your life, then make sure to hit the like button on this video. Your single like is not just a click for us; it's the motivation and support that inspire us to continue bringing you more powerful and heart-touching prediction. Also, don't forget to share these thoughts, feelings, and experiences in the comments below. Tell us, does this prediction reflect what's happening in your life right now? Your opinion and your words truly means a lot to us. And if you want to keep receiving these amazing and powerful astrological insights from the stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends and family so they can also discover these fantastic messages from the universe. I was your guide and you were watching Astro Planet Forecast. We will meet again very soon with a new prediction, new energy and new signal of destiny. Until then, stay happy, stay positive, and always remember, sometimes the star writes stories that even we could never imagine ourselves.